Welcome back to your daily market close. It's Thursday, June 18th, 2026. The mood on Wall Street today is decidedly bullish, at least on the tech side. Let's get right into the numbers. The S&P 500 climbed 0.78%, closing at 746.74. The Nasdaq was the clear star of the day, surging 2.51% to finish at 740.62. But here's the split. The Dow Jones actually dipped, falling 0.15% to close at 515.52. So a real tale of two markets today. Speaking of that Dow weakness, CNBC is reporting the Dow dropped roughly 500 points. This comes as new Fed Chair Kevin Warsh held his first meeting. Bond yields surged in response, and that clearly rattled the blue chip index. Now let's talk about the stocks driving that Nasdaq rally. The Magnificent Seven were mostly magnificent today. Nvidia led the charge, jumping 2.95% to close at 210.69. The AI chip giant continues to flex its muscles. Right behind it, Amazon popped 2.9%, finishing at 244.39. Meta climbed 1.7% to 577.22. Alphabet added 1.17%, closing at 368.03. And Tesla rounded out the top five with a 1.04% gain, landing at $400.49. Big tech clearly carried the market today. Now a headline worth watching. Apple CEO Tim Cook made waves, saying RAM expenses are, quote, unsustainable. He announced Apple plans to raise prices that could ripple across the entire consumer electronics space. Keep that one on your radar. In other tech news, Sequoia Capital's Rolf Botha has joined SpaceX's board of directors. That's a notable addition as SpaceX continues expanding its ambitions. Let's shift to commodities. Gold pulled back 0.38% to 387.12. Silver took a harder hit, dropping 1.81% to 59.51. Precious metals were clearly under pressure today, possibly reacting to those rising bond yields. Oil told a different story though. WTI crude ticked up 0.56% to 114.87 a barrel. Over in crypto, it was a red day. Bitcoin fell 2.19%, settling at $62,823. Ethereum followed suit, declining 2.11% to $1,705.07. Risk appetite in crypto just didn't match the tech enthusiasm today. On the Forex front, unfortunately we don't have updated currency pair data for this session. We'll bring those numbers back for you next time. So here's the big picture. Tech stocks are roaring, but the broader market is more cautious. Rising bond yields from the new Fed leadership are creating real headwinds for dividend-heavy Dow components. Meanwhile, big tech keeps pushing higher on AI momentum and strong earnings expectations. Watch for more fallout from that Fed meeting in the days ahead. Keep an eye on Apple's pricing strategy and how consumers react. And monitor those bond yields closely, because they could determine whether this tech rally spreads or stalls. That's your market close for June 18th. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you right back here tomorrow.